Meet Chirag Thapar, also known as Chintu. Chintu is really dedicated, puts his heart and soul into his studies. Be it in school or taking tuition for every subject, every teacher's favorite Chintu is hardworking. Chintu takes singing classes too and jams during his guitar lessons every Tuesday and Thursday. Mastering Vedic math, Chintu aces the number game, and on the weekends, his creativity gets him fame. Be it dancing, be it sports, every time he hits the spot. Overall, Chintu leaves no stone unturned and does everything that an ideal student should do. But wait, Chintu? Chintu! Something feels missing. But what? Even after all the tuitions, extra classes, hobby classes, round the clock, 7 days a week, after putting in every bit of effort, is there any guarantee to success? The fact is, in the future, artificial intelligence-powered machines will perform many tasks that humans are doing right now. For times like these, what your child would really need to succeed is human-only skills, such as critical and independent thinking, a creator mindset, and problem-solving skills. So your child's real intelligence always stays 2 steps ahead of artificial intelligence, and they reach the pinnacle of excellence. With Futurz, develop skills and success will be guaranteed. Skills that will give your child a winning edge, today at school and tomorrow with a rewarding career.